Hello, everybody. Welcome to Eric Academy. Today, we're going to be answering the question, where does the sun go at night? So many of you probably have wondered this before. Maybe you've looked up at the sky at night and you've realized that there's no longer the sun. So to answer that question, first we have to draw a diagram of what our planet looks like. And then from there, we can do some math to determine where the sun goes at night. So this is planet Earth. Okay? That's America. Continents don't really matter too much, but that's Earth, okay? And you and me are right here. We're these two little sticks. So when an observer is looking at something, we have a certain amount that we can see, right? So if we're going to dot out those lines, we have that. And we're going to call the angle right here theta. So theta is going to be equal to the arctan of the observation point 1, which we'll label P1, minus P0 divided by the total distance, which is going to be, we're going to say that's d squared. So to get this angle is important because this is what we call your FOV, your field of view. So if it's outside your field of view, you can't see anything anymore. It's like the sun got unrendered. So if we're going to put the sun in here, let's say the sun's a little angry today. So the sun is right here. Okay? And as it moves around Earth, so the sun is going to move this way. As it moves around Earth, what you're going to notice is when we're looking this way, our theta is equal to 45 degrees. So when we solve for theta out, we get 45 degrees. So 45 degrees here, but when the sun moves all the way over here, we no longer can look at it in our FOV. Therefore, it looks like the sun has disappeared. But in reality, the sun has moved to the other side of the planet. And because of that, an optical illusion will occur where our sun, right here in front of us, appears to be dark. The sun appears to be this dark object that you might know as the moon. So that's actually our sun, but it's an optical illusion. So hopefully this answers the question of where does the sun go at night? And the answer is it's on the other side of the earth. And what you see in the sky is actually the sun being off. Now you might be asking yourself, what about when I see the sun and the moon at the same time of the day? And that's a paradox because you're not actually seeing both of them. You're seeing the same object. It's like how when you cross your eyes, you see double of an image. So thank you for the first episode of Eric Academy, and we hope you enroll to the rest of our courses.